Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the video. Pretty much what's going down today. I got this keyboard a long time ago. You might even recognize this. It was a very popular keyboard, kind of in like the cheap, just getting into mechanical keyboards scene kind of thing, you know. It's the Redragon K552. I'm sure you've seen it before. You might also know it's got them 𝙊𝙧𝙗𝙗 blues in it, which are like clicky switches, but also 𝙊𝙧𝙗𝙗 is kind of just known for being extremely mediocre to almost even bad. So pretty much my goal for this is to mod this board somehow and make it sound good. I'm not personally a fan of clicky switches anymore, especially not these ones, at least stock, because they're scratchy as shit and there's so much spring ping, it's actually unbelievable. But yeah, here's a stock sound test so you can hear it for yourself. I wanna die. Whoever designed 𝙊𝙧𝙗𝙗 blues, I hate you. I'm probably just unknowledgeable, but I think they glued that shit to the fucking standoff or whatever. I don't know why they would do that. This is a funny noise though. Real quick before you say anything, I know this looks bad. That being said, I ran out of I didn't have any foam laying around, so I introduced to you the t-shirt method. This is a t-shirt. This has been by far the most difficult build so far.